we're going to replace a tube. Same size, same brand. But first, we need to put some air. We want the tube a little bit like round. This is what I like with Specialized wheels. They have built-in protectors. Okay, now let's insert the bulb. And lay this around. Then just simply put the tire over on both sides. All around. Now once you get the tire over the wheels on both sides, it's time to put the tire in. All around again. All around. You actually don't need a tool. You simply press and put it in. No need for a tool. There you go. Now let's put some air. I usually have it at around 81 psi. There you go. Changing the tube only by hand.